Very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, bacha? Mast. And what about your studies? Oh, we are doing well. And now we have learned many more words also. And ma'am, we are writing so nicely in our cursive book. हम इतना अच्छा लिखते हैं alphabets in our cursive book, है ना? So मज़ा आ रहा है ना? Okay. So now we will be moving some more alphabets in your cursive book. Okay, so are my dear students ready to write in your cursive book? And you have to write along with me. Okay, bacha, let's start. Okay, my dear students, now let's start with our letter Q, R, S and T. Today we will be learning 4 letters. Till P we have already done it. Okay, now how you will write Q? Q for Queen. This is O and it will go like this. Correct? No, it's not correct. O and in this way. But the line will go upside in this way. Okay, this is the correct formation. O and it will go like this. Once again, it's O and in this way. Got it, my dear students? Yes. Line, it's wrong or right? Tell me. You are doing along with me, no? So you will write in this way. Got it? Yes. Now the next one is R. R for rabbit. Why only rabbit? Why not Rashi? Rashi, are you writing? No? Okay. This is R. Why not Rehan? Why not Rashi? Why only R for rabbit? No, na? Yes. So this is R and it will go in this way. Got it? R, capital cursive R. Okay. Now once again. Very nice. See, it's looking good, na? Okay. And the next one is S for sun. Why only sun? Why not Soham? S for Soham also. Okay, Soham? Yes. Capital S. Got it? How you will write capital S? In this way? Correct? Okay. Yes. It's S. S for sun, S for shoe, S for Soham. In this way, you have to drag your pencil like this way. First, the line will go like this, then S, then in this way. Okay, if you find problem, you can write in this way and in this way. Okay, this is capital cursive S. Okay, and another one is T. T for tiger. It's so easy, na? Yes. T for tiger. See how ma'am is writing? You don't have to drop your pencil. It will move in this way. Got it? Yes, correct. This is your T. T for tiger. T for tie. Okay. Yes, now we will select one more page. Okay. One more page. This is your fresh page. Clear? Yes. Yes. Correct? Okay. Now we will be doing once again. This is your Q. No, this is wrong. It should touch the line. Okay, Q, and another one is R and S. Not in this way, but in this way. Q, R, S, T. But the teeth should touch the line. This is T for, yes, tiger, and tanmay. Okay, yes. And another one is U. How you will write U? In this way. Is it correct? No, na? In this way. This is called your U. Clear? U for, yes, you know very well, it's umbrella. Okay, and how you will write? One more time. It's U. Okay, once again. Start from here, then here, then you will end over here. But this should not come in this way. Okay, once again. Start from here. U and over here, U. This is incorrect. This is the correct formation. So today you will be learning Q, R, S, T and U. 5 letters you have to do in your book. Okay. Q, R, S, T and U. Okay, and this will be your assignment, and do send me the photo shot. So it was all for the day. Happy learning. God bless you, bacha.